The piece I'm going to play, I guess there's two main kind of musical subject I'm working with in. One is tuning, because I'm using a scale that is a scale from the Baka people in Cameroon. They are also known as Pygmy Baka. And the link there for me with Halim is that he was really interested in working with non-professional musicians, kind of involved in reflecting on systemic issues. So for example, when he was in Ethiopia, he worked with street musicians, trying to place them in university, etc. And there's also this idea of rhythm. I'm trying to work with certain type of rhythms that I feel kind of are reflected in also one text I was reading from him that was about this piano piece where he's reflecting on what would be African pianism or African piano. There's a lot of little bit different type of influences in there, but this is how it reflects Halim's work, I think. What's interesting in general is working with lighting. I mean, in my live performance, I work more with lighting than visuals, because I'm also a sound artist, so for me it's important that the sound is not overtaken by the visuals. In some way, light is the closest visual element you have to sounds. It shares a lot of similarities, so this is why it's interesting. I was also interested in having a little bit kind of highlighting architectural details in the venue. Even though you're gonna have the kind of maybe the same angle or a similar angle, you're going to discover the venues in a lot of different ways through light.